Hi, I'm Tiam and I'm a knit and crochet designer. Today I'm going to show you how to measure your tension. Let's grab some yarn and get started. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the Hobbycraft channel and press the bell icon for notifications of future videos. I'm going to show you how to measure and count your tension. We are going to measure it on a swatch of stocking stitch. Start by making a big square in the yarn, needle size and stitch you want. The yarn band tells you what tension you should expect using a specified needle size, how many stitches and rows you will get in a 10 cm square using a certain needle size. First, we will measure how many stitches we have in 10 cm. Take a ruler or measuring tape and line it up with the edge of a V and count across. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So you have 10 stitches in 10 centimeters. Next, we will measure how many rows we have in 10 centimeters. Take your ruler and line it up with the top of a V and count down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you have 14 rows and 10 centimeters. So your tension is 14 rows and 10 stitches in a 10 centimeter square. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. For more knitting inspiration, head over to hobbycraft.co.uk/ideas.